Hi guys, my brother just got the lawnmower stuck. Well, I got it unstuck. So yeah, that's cool. So there's my shoes, completely muddy. And yes, I got that all by myself. That's my brother's boots. Okay, that's one. So tell me. And there's my one, two. You know, like my hands are just muddy all over several bit spots. But you know, it was insane. You know, I got muddy, got my shoes muddy, got that muddy, and all that. And I just freaking washed my shoes with the pressure washer, so that really sucks. Okay, I'm just heading down there right now. Okay, in the garden when it happened. Okay, so yeah, this is where I cut along here. He cut all along here in the garden. Cut all it's wet down here, so except for right down here. But you know, and here we're entering the mud spot where I got it stuck. So yeah. So yeah, I know I came over here. Yeah, this thing. To dig it out, and you know, that's exactly where one of the tires were. The other tire was worse, right? So you know, it had all that. So you know, as soon as we finally pushed it out, and you know, now it was stuck because it wouldn't stop like turning that way. So we grabbed styrofoam, put it on, and it finally got straight. Then went up there. But you know what a ditch this is. Just taking some photos as well. Alright, well. But you know, it was insane. All that. And it just backfired after I tried. Successfully got it out. Still wet. Because the hose is always on, so it leaks. Okay, I got one step and it's not muddy over here. Where I drove it along and actually got it out, man. Finally. You know. You know, a child. All the time. And I successfully do it sometimes. To go up here. When I saw that, I knew that he like went in there if I got stuck. But there's a lawnmower up here. Our shoes are a little bit better, but they're gonna be dirty again. But yeah. Yep, this is the tire that had a problem. Like, you know, getting it pushed out. Look at how dirty they are though. It's pretty dirty for a tire. You know. Take your photos. Snap photos. And you know, this is where it cut the thing. Surprisingly didn't break. The front tires. And to the front of the laser, okay? You know, oh god, that was lost. Okay. You know, yeah. Well, bye guys. See you guys in the next video.